Begin by removing the cover from the camera.
Attach the camera mount to the rails and tighten the set screws using the Allen key.
Secure the syringe in the syringe holder.
Reposition the syringe to ensure it's centered on the camera screen.
Adjust the camera's focus.
Use the thumb screw to tilt the camera until it is properly aligned.
Generate a test droplet.
Adjust the backlight to create a good contrast between the droplet and the background.
Fine-tune the positioning and focus to enhance droplet size and clarity.
Once ready, capture the image.
Ensure pendant is selected for surface tension measurement.
Input the outer needle diameter into the capillary diameter field.
If performing buoyancy experiments, enter a negative value for gravity.
If using a medium other than water and air, input the density differential between the liquid and the medium.
Calibrate the image using the needle.
Press Calibrate.
Press Calculate.
Adjust brightness and contrast using the sliders if the images appear too dark or bright.